Zentangle friends. My name is Emmy, and you're with me today on the Zen with Emmy channel. As you know, I'm so glad you're here for an intro video. And this video is about Gratitangles. Gratitangles is just the most delightful, relaxing fun, and this year is going to be no exception. I'm going to need all my usual supplies, so I gathered them together. I'm going to need lots of treats, so I gathered my best treat. I want to just show you what some of us did last year. Maybe you did this with me, and every day I posted on the calendar. So I thought this was lots and lots of fun. This is not very big, and it's very doable. Last year, we also did a Tangle phrases, things that we were thankful for, and I intend to keep up with that this year. So I've included a PDF for things that I'm grateful for, and I will post them every day for you, and actually they'll be on the intro part of our session every day. Lisa Anderson is the person, CZT is who puts this together. I'm listing this PDF for you with all of the tangles. This is the logo we're using this year that Lisa has chosen, and her friend Angie Gittles, who is also my friend and a designer of gorgeous tangles. She's the one that put this together. These are all Zentangle patterns. They're all ones that you can look up for yourself and do at your own pace. That said, I really hope you follow along with me. Here is the template that Lisa has designed with Angie Gittles' help. So you could easily do this. And if you want, and I've included it in our introduction. If you look in where the explanation is, description, I will have all of these things in there for you to download if you want. And that said, you're always welcome to join the Facebook page of Gratitangles 2025. I did this one year, several years ago, and I thought it was such a blast that I decided that this year we're going to do two things. One of them is this, Zentangle patterns. Some of them are they're all designed to be simple. Nothing is designed to be hard with Zentangle patterns. So if it's very, very complicated, chances are it's not quite a Zentangle pattern. As you can see, my circle template has 3 different sizes. And that's going to work out for us because some of these, like very small ones, there are a lot of patterns that are very easy and quick to do. And you might say, but I won't have room. But look at how I was able to do this. These are Zentangle patterns. And one of them is this one this time. And I was able to do it on a very small piece. This is 1 inch. So please don't worry or give that a thought if you want to experiment and try this. I always like to do the patterns twice for you. This is the Keepsake one, although I'm doing keepsakes in 2 ways this year. This is where I'm going to do the pattern the first time out. This is 2.5 by 3.5 size baseball cards. And they're real nice material, like 350 weight, so they're keepsakes for sure. I always keep track of the patterns and the tiles I do, and then I'm planning on color coding these according to border and flowers and a couple other things too. So I've got all kinds of them, all kinds of sizes. So then I can quickly get to them because they're going to be in alphabetical order when I have a little more time. They actually come plain like this. I just think this looks real cool. So I'm going ahead, and then this is where I will put the pattern first every time. But I always set it up where I have the 2 little divisions. I will also put the location for these in case you should want to get them. So this is what they are, baseball cards, as I mentioned, size, and they come in this nice container. My husband picked this up for me, and I dearly love standing them all up in here and quickly flipping through them. They're very, very, very inexpensive. So that's where we're going. I'm excited to be here with you today, and thanks for watching our video. I will see you tomorrow. We'll get started on Gratitangles. Bye.